Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner of Scoot. So all you need to do is go to flyscoot.com, or on your address bar you can just type in flyscoot.com, or on google.com just type in Sky Agent Access or Sky Agent Register Access, and you will be able to get routed on the same page. Okay, let's try that. So from here you can just try Sky Agent Register and Access and just click on this link, the very first one, Sky Agent Register and Access, and you should be routed in the same page that we have earlier. Perfect. Okay, from here you can see on how you can, there are two options on how to register as a direct partner of Scoot. If you're an Ayara agent, then you can apply online directly, but if not, you can download their application form. So if we click on this, you'll be getting this document. So this is the Sky Agent account request form that you need to fill out, and yeah, there are instructions though from number 1 to number 5, and after successfully filling this form out, then you can just have it forwarded to this email, sales@flyscoot.com. Okay, so what are the important items that need to be filled out? So of course, the agency name in English, and if you do have agency name in other languages, so this is actually if applicable, so if not, you can just leave it blank. Business registration, so basically in the Philippines, this is gonna be your tax identification number. If again, Ayara number if applicable, your address, so this is the business address that matches the business address that was registered via DTI. Country and postal code, name of contact, email address, position, job function, office and mobile number, and then of course your signature, your name and designation date. If you can put on the company stamp, it would be better, but in my case I didn't include it. They haven't asked for it though, so I think that'll be fine if there's none. So after successfully filling this form out, then you can have it forwarded to this email, sales@flyscoot.com. okay, and in my experience, so I've applied like just recently. Okay, I applied, and then I received this auto mail. I think it's an automatic mail that will be sent to you, and then it says here someone will reach out within 2 working days. Just a day, someone had contacted me and notified me that they had received my request, and it would be processed in the next 3 to 5 working days, and credentials will be forwarded to me. So that was on the 14th, and I got my login credentials on the 18th. Okay, so and you'll be getting a link, a Sky Agent login link. Okay, you'll be routed where you can log in, alright, and then where you can also reset your password. That's basically it. It's just how you can become a travel partner of Scoot. And yeah, all you need to submit is your filled out form from Scoot, the one that we just downloaded, and then your business permit. So these are DTI mayor's permit and your BIR certificate of registration, and you're set. Once done, then it will get processed in the next 3 to 5 banking days. Alrighty, so I hope you learned something. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.